In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock. Begin by opening settings and scrolling to hit password and security. Then tap on privacy password, select one of those password types, I will go with pattern, and create your login method you will use for your apps. Repeat it to confirm it. Answer this security question, or if you don't like it, click on it, pick one of those, or if you don't like any of them, choose custom question and create your own. Then choose confirm and answer it correctly below. Hit set recovery email, input it and click on confirm just in case you will forget security question and your app lock. And when you're ready, use this check mark at the top right corner. Then tap on app lock here, select got it and activate it next to this switcher at the top. Finally, to block any app, click on gray switcher next to it and choose use or cancel in face unlock pop-up. So when I go back and try to access this app, I can see that privacy password is required. To disable it, you need to go into devices settings, scroll down to click on password and security, scroll down again. Oh sorry, this option will disappear from here if you use it once, so instead you can also go into permissions and privacy. Scroll down in privacy section and find it here, or tap on app lock at the top under privacy protection. Either way, enter it and use no blue switcher to disable app lock from your app or app lock completely from your device. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!